Hey guys, so if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Right, so I'm going to be using my iMagic colour palette. This is basically a dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette. And I'm going to be using my artist palette as well, so that I can scoop out the colours and put them onto the palette and mix them. I'm going to be doing 3 colours, so I'm going to be doing like blue to purple to pink. And even though I have 2 blues to pick from and I have a pink as well, I don't have a purple. So I'll be able to mix the shades into what I want them to be. Okay, hopefully I'm not blinding you, but this is what I've come up with. I've kind of just adjusted the 3 colours into what I want them to be. So now I'm going to be using this slanted fine tip brush. I'm just going to use my palette as my mirror. And in between, I'm just cleaning my brush on a makeup wipe because I'm using the same brush. Ooh, I like that. I just have to fix the bright, like the purple going into the blue. Oh wow, I like that a lot. Just grabbed a little bit more purple. So now I kind of feel like the purple has disappeared. So let's go back in with a little bit more. I'm feeling that. I absolutely love it. So now my brush is clean. I'm just going to feather out the front. Just kind of fade it. Okay, so now I feel like this isn't gonna set. I need to get some shadow and set it. BRB. I'm gonna use my Take Me to Brazil palette and 2 crease brushes. I'm gonna go from the darkest to the lightest. So I'm gonna use dark blue and just kind of lightly stamp over it. Just lightly. And I can see that there's a lot of fallout underneath, but that's fine because I can clean that up. Yeah, that sets it straight away. And then I'm going to go from the front. I'm going to go in with the pink first because I've only got 2 brushes with me right now. And now I'm going to clean up underneath the brow where some of that eyeshadow like fell out. Okay, that's not going to work. I need to use a wet wipe. Okay, so being extremely careful and kind of just like putting the very edge onto my nail. I'm just going to clean. And I'm sure you can do this with like a Q-tip. But I think this method is probably a little bit more effective. That is so much better. So I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eyebrow and do my makeup, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, my ombre brows. This is clearly not something that's wearable. This is clearly not something that I can wear out, but I absolutely love it. I mean, the blue to the purple to the pink, it's just so different. It's not something that I would normally do, and I love the thought of colored brows. I mean, I think Kat Von D brought out like a brow pomade which is available in multiple different colors, and I'm just using my Flash palette because I just was like $8.99 on eBay or something, and I feel like it does the exact same thing. So yeah, anyway, so hopefully you like this video and this tutorial. I mean, I decided to keep my eyelids blank because the main focal point is my brows. I absolutely love it. I love it. Anyway, so if you want to recreate this look, please do, and tag me to your pictures. I'd love to see what colors you came up with, whether or not you just wanted to do one color, if you wanted to do an ombre. I'd love to see you guys recreate this look. I'd really love to. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.